The most controversial aspect of the Safety Act is the elimination of cash bail. And today, State Senator Scott Bennett is the first Democrat to actually pitch changes to it. Our Capitol Bureau Chief, Cole Henke, is with us today live in the studio. And Cole, prosecutors have brought up their fair share of concerns. His proposal addresses those.
That's right. The Safety Act gets rid of cash bail, but it also lays out the guidelines for how a judge can decide if somebody should be detained before their trial. Prosecutors have spent weeks pointing to parts of the law they say are vague and could lead to confusion in the courtroom. Bennett, a former prosecutor, pitched his ideas to tighten up the language. For one, he would change the flight risk language, making it so prior failures to appear are enough to detain someone pre-trial, and he would make it clear when a person could be ruled a danger to those around them.
We're back in veto session in 7 weeks. We have to start the conversation somewhere. We've been having months of conversations about it. But the fact is, until something's down in a bill, I don't think people take it very seriously.
Now, Bennett's proposal is not being well received by some bail reform advocates. The Illinois Network for Pretrial Justice is strongly against the pitch, saying in a statement, quote, "If passed, these measures would create a pretrial system that is far worse than the one in place today." Now, Bennett says he believes he has the votes to get this language, or at least something close to it, through the Senate during veto session this November, but he says he does not know if it would pass the House. Jennifer, back to you.
All right, Cole, thank you so much.